Salutations, my name is Drew, and today I'm going to learn about the freezing point of ice cubes.
Yo!
I'll be conducting an experiment that provides an example of manipulating a freezing point. For the parents out there, this is a really good one to try with the kids because summer is around the corner and your children are going to want their ice cream. Plus, this experiment, along with the previous experiments I've done in the past, are great and fun ways to introduce science to your kids. So let's get started, and here are some of the things that you'll need.
A gallon-sized and a quart-sized storage bags. Oven mitts, you'll find out what these are for later. Salt, yes, I know I use salt in a lot of my experiments. Ice, and lots of it. And a juice of your choice.
I first took my quart-sized bag, opened it, and got it ready for the juice to be poured inside of it. I took the juice of my choice and poured roughly around a cup's worth inside the bag. This part is important. Try to remove as much air as possible from the bag without spilling any of the juice. The less air in the bag means more chances of your experiment being a success. Make sure you close the quartz bag all the way so that no juice leaks out. Now grab the ice that you have and pour it inside the gallon bag. Now take your smaller bag filled with the juice and stick it inside the bigger bag full of ice. Make sure you mix all of this well. I know I'm not using exact measurements here, but I did try to pour roughly around half a cup of salt inside the gallon bag. Zip that up nice and tight, and now you're ready to begin to shake the bag. I knew this part was going to get cold, so I grabbed my oven mitts, put them on, and I started shaking. Once in a while, I stopped shaking and checked the contents of the smaller bag, and I noticed that the liquid inside was getting more firm. After shaking for 5 minutes, you're going to notice that the liquid now has turned into a slush. Notice how different it looks now? I poured my newly made slush into a glass, and now it's almost ready to eat. Now here's a question. Why did this happen? Well, let me show you. Tap water has a freezing point of 32 degrees Fahrenheit or 0 degrees Celsius. At this temperature, water gets so cold that it becomes ice, thus providing us the ice cube.
Lockdown!
No, not you, an actual ice cube. However, if you add salt to the ice cube, it will lower the freezing point and the ice cube will start to melt. But it doesn't mean it got warmer, in fact it means the opposite, where the now liquefied ice cube is much colder. We'd have to take a look at a little physics to understand why the juice would then be turned into a slush. Any kind of heat will always move towards a colder medium. Since the juice in the smaller bag originally had a warmer temperature compared to the ice water surrounding it, the juice's heat would then be distributed away from its original source. As heat leaves the juice, the colder it will get. And, since the freezing point of the ice water is so low, heat is transferred at a rapid rate to equalize the temperature for both the juice and the ice water. This would result in the juice freezing, thus providing us a summertime dessert. So, thank you for joining me in this experiment. If you have any questions, or if you have any ideas on what you want me to do next, go to my website, subscribe, and let me know there. Oh, this is good. But anyways, keep on learning, guys. I'll see you in the next one. See ya!